guys, this is Jen with Sassy Southern NC Girl, and I have an unboxing and product review for you guys from a brand called Galoza, and they have this digital alarm clock, and I'm kind of excited to try this. So you guys know, well, probably most of you know, back in the day before cell phones, we had to use alarm clocks to get out for work, and sometimes I forget to do my alarm clock. Sometimes I don't have my phone, to do the alarm on my phone. Sometimes, when you're upstairs and you kind of just want to know what time it is, like, it's still a good idea to have an alarm clock. So I was excited to try this out. It kind of brought me back old school. And so when they asked me, I was like, yeah. I was like, I will absolutely review this because they still have alarm clocks in hotels and things like that. And obviously I do have like a clock on my microwave downstairs, but most of the time I'm upstairs. And if I don't have like one of my electronic devices in front of me, I have no idea what time it is. I don't wear a watch. So yeah, I'm excited to try this. So it did come very nicely packaged. It was in another box. I did go ahead and unbox it from that box. So all you guys have to see is me unboxing the actual alarm clock. So let's see. It comes with everything that you are going to need. That's just like an extra piece of paper. So we have the plug, and it is a regular, like a USB. It's a regular, I don't know what you call this kind of plug, but this type of plug actually charges my my over-the-ear headphones, and then it does also come with the wall piece, so that's cool. So you've got all that, and it's pretty long. It comes nicely in bubble wrap, and it also comes with this protective film on it. This is really cool. So it kind of looks like a little mini TV. So that's cool. Okay, so let's see. I'm going to go ahead and peel this off so that we can see what it looks like. It's really cute. So I don't know. I'm probably going to have to plug it in. This probably doesn't work without being plugged in. So let me plug it in real quick here. And I'm actually gonna just pop it into something that's already down here because I don't have room for it. Okay, so let's go ahead, plug it in so it plugs in on the back here. Okay, so it's really big bright numbers. I like that. Okay, so we're going to set the time. So you're going to toggle the switch on the back to time and short press the plus color to adjust the time. Okay, so we're going to move this up to the time button, and it is 7:02. Long press to quickly adjust. Okay, I'm not sure how to move it to the next. Toggle, short press. Okay, so then you push the snooze to, no, that's not. Oh, okay. So this is the light. Okay. So if you long press the color, it goes down. If you long press the plus, it goes up. And we're going down to 703. Okay. After the setting is finished, oops, crackers. You go back to the lock on the back and it sets it. Okay. So the alarm setting, we're going to switch the thing to alarm. Okay. And then, let's see, I typically set my alarm for 6:50. But I'm actually going to do it for 6:55 because my first alarm goes off on my and then you can adjust the alarm volume in time display mode. Short press to choose the ringtone. Oops. Alright, so alarm is set. Short press the plus. Okay. So there's 3 ringtones: bird songs, courting, and beep. Each ringtone will automatically turn off after 5 seconds, and the last playing sound will be automatically saved as the alarm ringtone. You can toggle the switch to choose your volume. So on the back here, oops, daggone it, you can also change the color. So this is a lower volume, and then that's a higher volume, or you can do no volume. So I'm going to go with the higher volume. And then I just accidentally pushed the color and it changed the color. Oh, cool. So that's neat. Oh, that one changes. Like it goes through all the colors. That's pretty cool. Oh, that's neat. This is pretty cool. So you have regular, then you have this orange or yellow, and then this one that changes colors. So it's white, orange, 4 dynamic colors. And then you can adjust the brightness. And then this is also the snooze button. Okay, I like this. I like this a lot. I'm going to leave it on the, the changing colors, but like I may change that later. So this clock is $16.99 on Amazon, but there is currently a 20% off coupon that you can apply. I definitely think this is worth it, and it is super cute. I would give this 5 stars. I really like this a lot, but you know, I like stuff like this. It's going to be easy to see. I like it. I really do. I'm excited about this. So I'll let you guys know if it wakes me up. I'm still going to set my first alarm on my phone and then use this as my second alarm, and see which one I wake up better to. I have a feeling I'm probably going to wake up better to this because it's louder. Because I do turn my volume down. I really like this a lot. This is pretty cool. And then that one just stays all those different colors. And then this one is like blues and purples. That's pretty cool. Very, very cool. Alright, you guys. Yeah, I definitely like this. I hope you'll check it out. I'm going to put the link down in the description below. I don't get anything for you guys if you buy this, but I think it's cool. I think it would make a nice gift for somebody that, you know, maybe they don't have a cell phone. Or, you know, maybe they just wanted a really cool alarm clock. But yeah, I like this. 2 thumbs up for this. So check them out. Thank you to them for allowing me to review this and try it out. I really like it a whole lot. I definitely would purchase this. Alright, you guys, I will see you in the next one. And remember, in a world where you can be anything, be kind, y'all. Bye.